Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've got a Reliabilt electronic deadbolt and you're running into issues, maybe you forgot your code, or it's just not behaving right, then you're in the perfect place. Today, we're tackling a super common question: how to reset Reliabilt electronic deadbolt. It's an essential skill for any smart home enthusiast, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's get that lock working smoothly again. Why reset? Problem solution setup. So, why might you need to perform a Reliabilt deadbolt reset? There are a few main reasons. Perhaps you want to clear all existing user codes to start fresh. Or you need to troubleshoot a persistent issue, like the keypad not responding or the lock not engaging properly. A factory reset often solves these problems by restoring your electronic deadbolt to its original settings, just like it was out of the box. This is crucial for maintaining your home security. Main body, step-by-step reset guide. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's how to reset your Reliabilt electronic deadbolt. Grab a screwdriver and let's begin. Step 1. Access the battery compartment. First, you'll need to get to the internal mechanism. On the interior side of your door, locate the battery cover. It's usually held in place by 1 or 2 screws. Carefully remove these screws and take off the cover. Step 2. Remove batteries. Once the cover is off, you'll see the batteries. Go ahead and remove all of the batteries. This completely depowers the unit, which is an important first step in the reset process for your Reliabilt lock. Step 3. Locate the reset button. Now, look closely at the interior housing of the lock. You're searching for a small, often red or black button. This is your reset button. It might be recessed, so you might need a pen or a paperclip to press it. Step 4. Press and hold the reset button. With the battery still out, press and hold this reset button. Keep it held down. Step 5. Reinstall batteries. While holding reset. While still holding down the reset button, carefully reinsert all the batteries back into their compartment. Make sure they're oriented correctly. Step 6. Release the reset button. Continue to hold the button for about 10 to 15 seconds after the batteries are in. You might hear a beep or see the lights flash. After this time, you can release the reset button. Step 7. Test the lock. Important. Skip this at your own risk. Your Reliabilt electronic deadbolt should now be reset to its factory default settings. This usually means all previous user codes are erased. Now, you'll likely need to perform the door handing process, basically teaching the lock which way the door swings. Consult your Reliabilt manual for the specific steps, but it usually involves pressing a program button and letting the lock cycle. After that, you'll set your new master code and user codes. Troubleshooting and FAQs. Value add. A few common issues to keep in mind when you try to reset your Reliabilt deadbolt. No response after reset. Double check that all batteries are new and correctly inserted. Sometimes low batteries prevent a proper reset. Can't find reset button. Refer to your specific Reliabilt model's manual. While most are similar, the exact location might vary slightly. Resetting without removing batteries. This typically won't perform a full factory reset. Always remove the batteries first for a complete clear. Still having issues? If your Reliabilt electronic deadbolt is still giving you trouble after a factory reset, it might be time to check the mechanical components or contact Reliabilt customer support. Strong outro. Call to action. And there you have it. Your Reliabilt electronic deadbolt should now be successfully reset, giving you a fresh start. Whether you're changing codes, troubleshooting, or just want to wipe the slate clean, knowing how to perform this reset is super helpful. If this video helped you out, please smash that like button, share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and electronic lock tutorials. Got questions about your Reliabilt lock or another smart device? Leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.